In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import comments on WordPress.com, a simple WordPress tutorial designed especially for beginners. Whether you're transferring content from an old site or just switching to WordPress.com, importing your comments can help maintain engagement and preserve your community discussions. So let's get started. First, the journey begins at your WordPress dashboard. This is the command center for all things related to your website, where you can manage and customize your site effectively. You can access your dashboard by logging into your WordPress.com account. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find a toolkit for various functionalities. Next, you'll want to click on Tools. It serves as a centralized hub for managing different site activities, and importing is just one aspect of it. Once you're in the Tools section, go ahead and select Import. Here, you're setting the stage for the import process, which will allow you to bring over content from your previous setup. After entering the Import section, you'll see a list from which you can select the platform or service from which you wish to import content. This is an important step, as it helps WordPress understand what kind of information you're bringing in. For importing comments, ensure you choose the correct source to proceed. Moving on, there is an option to import content only. This is ideal as you might just want to focus on transferring your comments without transferring the entire site content. By selecting this, you signal to WordPress that the priority is comments. Then you'll need to click on Add Files. This is where you upload the file containing your comments data. Before proceeding with this step, ensure your file is ready and formatted correctly. Usually, files are in formats like XML, and it's a good practice to double-check this beforehand to avoid any disruptions. Once the file is uploaded, you're nearing the conclusion of this seamless process. Finally, confirm everything by clicking OK when prompted. It authorizes the import process to complete, and voila! Your comments are now integrated into your new WordPress.com site. Remember, importing comments not only brings in valuable discussions, but helps keep your audience intact during transitions. Also, maintain backups to ensure that precious data is not lost during the transfer. That wraps up today's tutorial. With these steps, importing comments to WordPress.com becomes straightforward. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your vibrant blog community on WordPress.com. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy blogging!